Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to convert the rows to column using pivot in SQL Server or any SQL. Okay, so suppose for example we have the scenarios like we have one table and this table has some records like region, product, sales amount and sales state. Okay, and table looks like this one. This is our table, and we want to convert this table output into region wise. Okay, so here you can see one region, and we need to transpose this type of product. You can see here type of product is A and B, so I want to transpose to column, and their sales amount must be as a aggregation. So this would be my expected output. So this can be achieved by SQL servers pivot functionalities. Okay, again I'm repeating what is objective here. We have the table, and in table you can see the 8 rows are there, and in 8 row 4 distinct regions are there, 2 distinct products are there, and various sales amount is there. Our objective is to transpose this product. We want to see the total product revenue by region. Okay, so region is the product A, product B, and the total revenue. This is our expected output. Okay, so let us start our exercise how we can achieve this. So first of all, I have inserted this table data. I will also share it with you. Okay, so table name is sales, and I have inserted some records. Let us catch the output, how output looks like, the table looks like. So here you can see the table is in rectangular format, and it has a 4 column and 8 rows. Okay, so now first of all I need to write the SQL queries. Okay, so I will write select star from, then in bracket, here the game will start. I will select the main column of the tables. Okay, so in this case I will select a region, then product. Okay, then sales amount. Okay, from say sales data. Okay, I have taken this reference. I will be needing this kind of three parameters, or you can say 3 columns. Okay, and I will give some dummy name as a source table. Now you have to use pivot function. So in pivot, what you need to do, you need to give the aggregation function and the column name which you want. Okay, so here I will use some of aggregation. So what aggregation I want the aggregation of the sales amount. Okay, so sales amount. Okay, for for what, for this column, what is the name of the column which we want to transpose? Product in. Now this will be your expected column. Okay, so expected column we want based on product A and product B. Okay, so we have to give it into the square bracket, product A comma in bracket product B. Okay, yeah, great, and give some dummy name as a pivot table because it will expect some sort of name. So here I would like to again explain you what we did. First of all, we have put up a select star from, and we give the subquery. So in this subquery the purpose is to get the exact name of the column which we want to transpose. So region, product and sales amount. Okay, then our the pivot query. So pivot will always comes with the aggregation functions. Okay, either sum, average, mean, max, whatever you want. Okay, and for product in, so product, what is a product? Product is nothing but the name of the column, and what expected column name is there. So we want to convert the rows. Okay, so these are the unique rows, so write down the name of the unique rows and hit the next. So here you can see I got the region wise sales of product A and sales of product B. Let me again recatch you. Okay, so for this case, what I will do, I will first fetch all the data from the sales data table and the expected queries. So here you can see this is our row table initially, and we wanted to get the product sales amount based on the product A and product B in column. Okay, so we got this output: region north, east, south, west, product A, product B. Alright, so main pivotal thing is you have to remember these two things. One is a column which you would be requiring to transpose, and in pivot function you have to remember two things. One is aggregation, and second is for a column name what you want to transpose and the unique record of the column. Okay, let me give you some example. Say for example, this is my Excel. Okay, and if I copy this data, okay, I copy this data and I want to do pivot. Okay, so what I will do, I will just go to insert pivot table from the table range. Okay, yeah, so now you will see this comes in the pivotal view. Now if I put up row as a north, sorry, row as a table name, yeah, so here you can see east, north, south, west, row level. Now product, I will put up a product, so by default it will count as a count of product. If I go back to my data, you can see here okay, here there is no proper notation. So what I will do, I will put up region, product, amount and date. Okay, so let me make it more concrete. So here if I again do the pivot, so I will get a region, so I will get all region, product and amount. Now you can see here there would be two things which you need to consider: what is a row, what is a column, and what is a value. So we have put up rows as a region and column as a product. Okay, so this becomes my product A and product B. Then amount, which will be the value. You can see here the integration symbol would be there, sum of the values. Here you can change a sum, minimum, max, whatever you want. Okay, value field, and here default is sum, count, whatever. These are the aggregation function. So this is a expected output in Excel. Now in case of the SQL, what happened, we are right now only interested in this product A and product B. So when we write this region, product and sales amount, this is nothing but these three parameters: region, row, we are writing row, then product is a column which we want to populate, and sales amount, that is any aggregation things which we will be requiring. Okay, so this will be in paired function, sum of sales amount for a product in product A and product B. Why we took product A and product B? Because this is a unique product, a unique name in the row. If there would be product C, then you will be requiring here product C. Okay, I hope you got the crux of how pivot query works in the SQL. Thank you very much for watching this video.